Downloading LastPass for Android means you'll always have access to your vault. In the app, you can view, manage, and edit everything you've saved to LastPass. You can also add new items while you're on the go. Do you use Chrome to browse? Enable AppFill in the LastPass app so it can fill passwords for you, no matter what browser or app you're using. Now all of your passwords are right at your fingertips. No need to copy and paste or hope you guess the correct password.
Dropbox is the place for all your stuff. Your vacation photos, studio recordings, research proposals, even the video from that time you finished third in a hot dog eating contest. It's a website and an app for your computer, phone, or tablet. When your stuff lives here, it's on all your devices, and you can take it with you wherever you go. It's easy to send files of any size to anyone: your aunt, your client, your boss, your buddy, even if they don't have a Dropbox account. It's a simple way to work together on the same files too, without sending emails back and forth. You can get feedback from your editor, share CAD files for that new building project, or work on budget planning, and keep everyone in the loop along the way. Dropbox brings your files together in one safe place. So even if your phone takes a swim, or your tablet takes a hike, your photos, flyers, and footage are safe and sound. When your stuff lives in Dropbox, there's a little more time for all the things you love to do.
You are in your office. You know that you have an important work to do, but still you have that tendency to open apps like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Not only working, guys, AppLock can be used to keep students away from Facebook and other app messages during school time in class or during exam period. Although you want to be fully active on social media every time, but there are moments when you want to spend time with yourself or with your loved ones. Presenting AppLock. With AppLock, you can stay away from using specific apps to focus on your work or to spend your quality time in your own way. With AppLock, you can block any app and its notifications. Moreover, it prevents you using blocked apps by giving you alerts like how many times you tried to open that app and what good you can do instead. It is very easy to block app notifications for a specific time. Just open AppLock, select the app you want to block, select time or days you want to block it for, and done. It takes only 10 seconds to block app notifications so you can spend your time in your own way and be productive. So what are you waiting for? Just download AppLock now and enjoy each moment you want to spend with you.